everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you my number one tip to actually clean a really messy space. So here it is. The one thing you need to know is you need to focus on one space at a time. So when you look around the room, if something is where it doesn't belong, don't rush to go put it in the correct place, but instead put it in a laundry basket, or for me, I have an old bin. This is just what I had down here in the basement. So what you're gonna do is anything that is not in the correct place, put it in the bin and clean up the immediate space first. So this is going to be a quick clean. I'm not doing a deep clean. If you're doing a deep clean, you always start from the top to the bottom. But today I'm just putting things where they belong. So let's go ahead and do that. It's always good to have your little ones help you, but my kids are both napping, so I'm taking up this time to really get everything cleaned. What you're going to do is you're going to move around with your box, and you are going to put those things away once you get to those locations, or keep adding to the box if things are still out of place.
Okay, so keep in mind, my only goal was to put things away. So now that the space is straightened out and everything that could be put away was put away, I've got this box and this box of things that need to find their homes.
To be fair, there is more room to clean, so I want to show you the rest. The boxes are still not put away, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten out this space and then I'll do the same.
Okay, so that leaves us with the least fun part now, is putting away the stuff that is in the big bin, either your laundry basket or your whatever you were using for storage. But now that everything else is put away, it's not as overwhelming. So your last job is to literally just go around and put that away. So do you see how when we break the project up into smaller, more manageable pieces, it's a little bit less overwhelming, and it honestly takes less time, because what I find is that, there we go. What I find is that when I'm cleaning, I will go to one space and then I'll notice that something is out of place. So I'll go and put it in its correct place. And then I realize that something else in that area is not in the right place. So I'll go put that. So I'm like all day just zooming around and nothing ends up getting cleaned, because instead of focusing on straightening out one area, you're focusing on like the little things. So now I'm gonna take this bin and put those where they belong. So everything is clean except for this box that I could honestly probably just throw out. My kids would not even realize. I'm gonna put them away and then I'll be done. And that took me, started at about 20-25 minutes to get this room straightened out and to shoot this for you. So it really is a lot more manageable. And those are my tips. So I'm gonna go and do that now. If you have any other questions or tips that would be helpful for other people to know, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your tips. So far, this has been a game changer for me. It cuts our time in half when it comes to cleaning. So I will forever be cleaning out of a bin, unless you can tell me a better way. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.